This is how to unlock creativity for your content and your personal brand. Let's go. I usually do this like this. I wake up on Monday and the first thing I do, grab notes and my pen and start writing all of the ideas that come fresh from my brain. And I do this why? Because the thing you're doing in the morning first will be the best thing, because your brain is refreshed, you have energy, you're literally ready to take over the world, bro. And you get the best ideas first thing in the morning. And the best creativity actually is first thing in the morning. And your imagination and the creativity appears most efficient in the morning. That's what literally science say. And go look up on Google if you don't believe me. So the second thing, you never grab your fucking phone. When you wake up, you don't look at the notifications, you don't look at anything because you get fucking distracted. And you're a little bitch if you use your phone first thing in the morning. I don't take it for 1 hour when I wake up, and minimum half an hour. I don't even eat before doing the ideas. If you eat, you get your brain fucking out literally, because food distracts your brain. It's very true. So don't eat before you make ideas. You need to make your ideas first thing in the morning, actually when you wake up. That's the first step. And the second thing, if you're not that creative or you don't have that good of imagination, you need to bore yourself. Why? Boring yourself gets your brain to start thinking about getting entertainment and making something feel good. But you can actually transmute that feeling into making good ideas. The best ideas have come to my brain when I was bored as hell, literally. When I was waiting for a bus 2 years ago, when I was waiting for the food to arrive in a restaurant, when I get bored, I get the best possible ideas. But this is very important. You need to do it alone. Nobody should be in the room. Literally only you to get the best possible ideas. If needed, literally lay on your bed, look at the fucking ceiling for half an hour or 1 hour, and you will be bored as hell. And you will get the best fucking ideas. Just try to think of an idea when you get bored, and you will make so fucking good ideas for your content. That's amazing, literally. That's the second thing. The third thing is actually getting research. Go on YouTube or TikTok or YouTube, trying to look for ideas, not to fucking mindlessly scroll. Go for 10 minutes, try to look up what other people post in your niche. If you do fitness, if you do, content, find people in content or fitness and try to look their stuff. What actually performed well, and that will bring you much better clarity what you should be posting next. Don't copy people, because right now Instagram literally recognizes if you copy people's ideas and it doesn't push your content that much. The fourth very important tip, use Claude. Literally, Claude has gave me so much more ideas for content, and it's so easy to use. It's better than ChatGPT. ChatGPT is fucking trash. So use Claude for ideas, ask him specific questions. Don't ask just random questions, bro. Ask him what do people in fitness, for example, want to see the most? What are their pain points? Write me the most specific pain points for fitness coaches, for example. And through that, you get the 10 different ideas, and you see the idealization of the things that the Claude actually told you. Then you literally make your own ideas. You can go look up some ideas on Claude and you will be fucking amazed how good it is. Don't make him write all of your scripts. It's so fucking trash. Writing scripts through AI is so fucking generic and it looks so bad. Just get ideas. I never use AI for making me scripts. I use it for ideas. Fifth tip, don't be a fucking bitch. It won't just appear in your brain. You need to put some focus in to make an idea. When I was starting personal branding and filming online, I couldn't find fucking ideas. I was so much procrastinating on trying to find an idea. Then I go on TikTok and scroll for fucking 2 hours and never managed to film that video in the first place. That's when I was on the beginning. It never actually worked out. You need to start focusing your brain more into getting the ideas set. The more you do it, the more better you become. Right now, I'm at the position literally where I can, in this second, make an idea for a short form video easily. Because I was in it and focusing on making good ideas for 2 years now. You need to make yourself good at making ideas. It doesn't just appear from a blue sky. You're currently at the position where you for sure watch like reels, TikToks every single day, procrastinating for 2 to 3 hours, and your mind is fried, bro. It doesn't even have creativity anymore. And that's what happens for most of the people. So you need to start practicing making good ideas. When a month or 2 passes, you will literally think and make an amazing idea in a minute, like this. Because you've practiced yourself to make good ideas and you unlocked creativity. It unlocks through time. You cannot do it in 2 days. Like, it takes time to make good ideas and have creativity. You just need to detox your brain from fucking Instagram Reels and TikTok to make great ideas. And it takes time, but it is worth it, because right now I can make an amazing idea. Just like this video I'm filming right now, bro. I made an idea for this video half an hour ago, literally. And all of my short forms are made in a second of me trying to think of it. And that's it. Start practicing your creativity. It will get you so much further in life, trust me. And my life is easier right now. I don't procrastinate on trying to find ideas on TikTok and Instagram and start watching reels for 2 hours. I'm not fucking dumbass to do that anymore. But yeah, I was in the same position as you. And the 6th tip, this is for the rich boys. Go get a content director. If you do this, if you want to get ideas for content, find a guy who will actually make your content look the best as possible, literally. He will put all of the energy into making ideas and making it look good. So find a guy who can actually get ideas for you. That's a content director. You can pay him via percentage or fixed pay, but whatever you prefer. This is for the top dogs. The content director is very important for guys who are looking to scale and make a lot of fucking money online. Because you don't have that much time to be spending on finding ideas, finding great places to record at, editing that, I don't know, like, you need to find a guy who actually does the thing for you. And making content with 2 brains is much better than making content with just 1 brain, your brain. Go book a call right now with me and my team to start scaling your personal brand to the fucking moon. And yeah, that's it.